Hi family, I am doing my next tutorial and I purposely do this with no makeup because that's so real. And I am going to clean the sink. Ew, gross. Okay, so I'm wearing my gloves. First thing to understand, water has a really strong surface tension. So sometimes you think you should clean with lots of water, but the fact of the matter is that grease is dirt and the dirt is underneath the water, and then the water's surface tension, if you just put more water, you can't get to the grease as easy. So you just use a degreaser and a dry microfiber cloth and it goes a lot faster. So that's one rule. The next rule is that you need a scrub brush because you can get in the edges faster and that makes it a lot easier too. So scrub brush, this, degreaser. I'm spraying degreaser on the edges, the cracks that get a lot of mildew and buildup, and also in the drain. I would do the same thing for the bathroom sink, and I take my soft brush and scrub those cracks. So next I'm going to use an abrasive cleaner, one of those white powdery substances. You can even use borax if you want to. My favorite's called Barkeeper's Friend. And in this video I actually used too much because I had left some in the sink and it left kind of a funky stain. The less you use the better, because then you use less water and you have to clean up less of the cleaner, because whatever cleaner you put on you have to clean off. But this does a really good job of getting some of the more stuck on stuff off. It's great for sinks, you know, for that spit trail that's left in there, or toothpaste or whatever. And I used a non-scratch sponge. Do not scrub the handle though. So you can see that I'm using water to rinse it down, and I wanted to use less water, but again I put on too much cleaner, so I ended up using the faucet to rinse off the residue of that cleaner. And you want to make sure you rinse it all off. And I'm using my non-scratch sponge, and I won't use that on the faucet. So now I go back to my microfiber cloth and I'm drying everything off basically, and that's what shines it up. So drying, I move from the back of the sink to the front. I would do the same thing for the bathroom sink, and that will be the end. And then I wash my rag.